Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to verify your Binance account. So to verify your Binance account, you have to visit the Binance app, or you can simply also visit the website. Just type in the binance.com, then sign in with your account. Then tap your profile icon at the top left corner for the app, then over the profile icon at the top right for the website. Then click on the identification under the profile menu. Then on the identity verification page, click verify now, then select your country of residence. This will determine the verification requirement. Then after that, enter your full name, date of birth, address, and other required details. Then double check all information for accuracy for submitting. Then choose the type of ID document to upload. For example, you can use your passport, your national ID, your driver's license, and all of that. Then take a clear photos of the front and back of the document. Then make sure the document is valid and the information is visible. Then complete the verification using your phone or a webcam. Then follow on this on-screen instruction to ensure proper lighting and avoid wearing glasses or hat. Then review all details and submit your verification. Binance will review your submission, and you will receive a notification for app once approved. Then to check the status, go back to the identification. Then if it should verify your account verification is completed, but if it's pending, wait for further update. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply verify your Binance account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.